The first tip is no direct sunlight. Don't put your object to be photographed on direct sunlight. It creates harsh shadows which doesn't please our eyes. So say no to direct sunlight. Put your object to be photographed near a bright window where you get a lot of natural light but not direct sunlight. North direction. Try to choose a window that faces north direction. This is because north side gets less direct sunlight but remains bright most of the day unless it is rainy or snowy. Different angles. Take photograph in different angles like overhead or flat lay shots, side angle shots and 45-degree shots. Plenty of shots. Take plenty of photo in a single angle and choose the best. It takes a lot of time and patience, but it works. Stable surface. Prefer using your camera on a stable surface, like putting the camera over some books or on a tripod, and don't hold camera in your hand. Even the minute handshake changes the quality of the picture. Shadows. Photos of quilling thus needs to show shadows, as people who were unaware of this art would get a visual feedback about the three-dimensional value of our work. These are some of the tips and tricks related to photographing your quilling. If you have more tips, please share in the comments so we can learn from each other. Next week's topic: how to create your own color palette samples. So don't forget to check the video. Thanks for watching.